In the professional practice of landscape architecture, navigating Florida's complex code requirements is a fundamental skill. A single oversight can lead to project delays or costly violations. Today, we will analyze 3 common compliance failures and discuss the technical solutions required to maintain the integrity of your design. First, we examine the site triangle. Per Florida DOT and local municipal standards, intersections and driveways require an unobstructed line of sight for safety. The common violation occurs when shrubs exceed 24 to 30 inches in height within this zone. The solution is twofold. First, specify species that naturally mature at low heights. Second, ensure your tree schedule mandates a clear trunk height of at least 6 to 8 feet. This ensures safety without compromising your planting aesthetic. Next is the issue of unauthorized species substitution. In Florida, many permits are strictly tied to a specific percentage of native or drought-tolerant plants. When a nursery is out of stock and a substitute is installed without a formal administrative deviation, the project fails inspection. To solve this, I recommend including a pre-approved substitution table directly on your sealed plan set. This provides the contractor with legal alternatives and prevents the need for costly re-permitting during the construction phase. Finally, we address irrigation efficiency. Florida code strictly prohibits the watering of impervious surfaces like sidewalks and roads. The solution involves precise hydrozoning. For narrow buffers, move away from traditional spray heads and implement pressure-regulated rotary nozzles or subsurface drip irrigation. This minimizes runoff and ensures compliance with Florida's water conservation statutes. Mastering these technical requirements is what separates a designer from a true professional. By focusing on compliance in the drafting phase, we protect the project budget and the environment. Which of these 3 has caused the most headaches on your recent Florida projects? Thank you for your time. We will continue our technical deep dives in the next session.